Okay, so what is tempo? Tempo is the number that you will find next to the sets and reps of a given exercise. Now, let's go and have a look at number by number. So the first number is the negative of the exercise, so lengthening of the muscle. Then the second number is the hold at the bottom. The third number is the positive. So basically when you are contracting the muscle, when you're shortening the muscle. And then the fourth number is the hold at the top of the movement when your muscle is fully contracted. So obviously this 4010 is just an example of a tempo. I just want you to remember what each number is. So in this case, we're going to go 4 seconds down, 1 second up. There is no hold at the top, no hold at the bottom. Let's have a look at some examples. So on this exercise, I'm going down in 3 seconds. I'm going up in 1 second, and then I'm going to hold 2 seconds at the top. So the tempo will read 3, which is the seconds of the negative. Then 0 at the bottom because I'm not holding at the bottom. 1 second up, so that's 3, 0, 1, and then there will be a 2 at the end, which is the hold at the top. 3, 0, 1, 2. On this other exercise, I'm going down in 3 seconds. I'm holding 1 second at the bottom, and then I'm going to go up in 1 second, and there is no hold at the top, so it will read 3, 1, 1, 0. 3 down, 1 hold, 1 up, 0. So 3, 1, 1, 0. Let's have a look at some upper body pulley movement. So on this one, the tempo is 2010. As you can see, I'm going down in 2 seconds, up in 1 second. There is no hold at the bottom, no hold at the top. Pretty simple, 2010. And finally, let's have a look at the pushing movement. So I'm going down in 3 seconds. I'm holding 1 second at the bottom, 1 second at the top, and then I'm going back down. So it's 3, 1, 1, 0. So I hope that was clear enough. I showed you some examples. Obviously, if you got any questions, just let me know. In the meantime, let's go and let's crush it.